Fixing with Friends. I'm your host, that guy you know. Today we're switching up the format a little bit for Fixing with Friends. We're taking single projects and breaking them down into more videos, but we're going to put them out more often. That makes the time commitment lower for editing the videos, and it means more regular videos for you guys. But the videos weren't really intended to be, or at least these ones weren't filmed with that in mind. So there's some compromise there, but the concept is, rather than cutting out 98% of the film and delivering you, so like for every 10 hours of film, again 15 or 30 minutes, we're going to give you like 1/5 of the film. So then it's trimmed up nicely, but you don't get to see as much of the project in one go. You just get to see more detailed aspects along the way. For this project, we're working on the Datsun again. I'm going to be removing the dash, so everything else that needs to come off first, and also that we will be fixing while the dash is off. The vacuum water cock, which is the thing that allows coolant into the heater core, so that as the air passes through it, your car gets warm. That's leaking, so we have to take that out and fix it. And then we'll also be swapping out the bulbs with LEDs. The hope is that they'd be lighter and also a bit of a color change. We're starting today with just the center console. Anyway, let's get to it. So I've received some of the parts that I was waiting for, so I can pull the dash on the car. The Datsun, that is. And yeah, we'll unbox these and so you can see what it is. And I also got in some parts literally just as I arrived, so we can put the transmission in. I don't think we'll be able to manage all of that in one day, but we'll see where we can get to and show you guys what's inside. Alright, let's check out what's in this bag. Try not to just destroy it. Oh, there's more. Right. I probably won't need all of these, but they are LEDs. They're supposed to be purple, but they may be pink. One of them looks yellow, to be honest. Do you see? Sort of purple. And this one is definitely a different color. I'll hold them side by side for you. So we'll see. We'll see if they even work. Alright, what's in here? I already have this one. Alright, so that's the clutch release bearing and a clutch fitting tool that I don't really need right now. I don't think I have that one though. Maybe I do. Alright, so wheel bearings. Oh, that's a big one. So this is for the Acura Integra. I don't know if I'll be filming that. Probably not. The other stabilizer bar links for the rear end.
retainer clip, which is absolutely giant. You probably don't even need to replace these every time. That's for the wheel bearing. And then for when I go to do the transmission, I'm going to have to pull the exhaust off. So that's for the lower connector from the manifold to the actual pipe. Alright, so I've pulled the map light out. I reconnected it so that we can test these LEDs. See if I can do this single-handedly. That's not what I meant. Okay, so it works at least, and it's purple, which is awesome. Now we'll try the other one that doesn't really look purple. Wrong way. Let's try and put this in the correct direction this time. Oh great, I just flipped it. Alright, well I have a 50% chance of screwing that up again. Alright, so despite being orange in color on the actual diode, it is purple. So that's good. My biggest concern though is the brightness, although that could just be the cover, and it's in the middle of the day, but it does seem a little bit dim. Regardless, these aren't the ones going in here. They'll be in these gauges. So I think that'll be a nice brightness for them, especially if I don't bother putting in the variable resistor. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys, let's get that out of the way, what it is I need to replace. So this thing here, I don't think you're going to be able to see it very well. Anyway, up there. So the thing I need to replace is up here. It's just leaking. It's referred to in the factory service manual as a vacuum water cock. So you know it's going to be hard. Hard to take out. Have to pull the dash off, and then we'll fix some of the other stuff while we're at it. Let's just give you an overview of the dash we have to pull out. There's a couple screws up top here, just for that little panel at the back. We might have to pull the steering wheel. I hope not, but it'll be easier than pulling off the mirror, I think. Or at least less fragile. There's some anchors down there. And on the other side. Anyway, I've already pulled this off, as you saw. Yeah, I think I'll have to pull the center console out. If not, I mean, it's not exactly hard. There's just a few screws. I have to pull the shift knob off. Maybe I'm going to do everything this weekend. Switch the transmission, fix the steering, lots of stuff. We'll see. This is made of metal. Old school. Tasty. That just looks so gross. But I'll clean it up. It's not something I want to be inhaling. It's on me. So clean. a knob. Do you think the previous owner stripped these? Or the previous owner? Not like combined Robertson flathead. There's a good order to take these out, and then there's the order I took them out. This feels like a poor place to put them. For whatever reason. Little tiny bulbs. And then there's this one, which doesn't want to come out. It has become apparent that I need some more video cameras, or at least some of those phone tripods. As you can see, one of the previous people who took it out snapped it here, tried to glue it back together, but unsuccessful. Alright, disconnect the battery cable. Try not to touch too many metal things at once. So, mighty car mods. Yours may look better, but mine is more original, although the same can basically be said for this entire car. Now that the battery's been disconnected, I can deal with some of these wires without having to worry about blowing up every fuse and circuit in the car. Nope. Oh shit, I just broke it. I wanted a new one anyway. The Pioneer ones, where you can actually hook up your Android phones to.
So, that's where we're ending the episode today. If you don't like the new format, let me know. We can easily adjust it as things go, but yeah. Anyway, the next episode we're gonna pull out the steering wheel and then the dash. See you guys next time.